Today, we'll be showing you guys how to make our amazing banana oatmeal pancakes!
Now it's time for our ingredients. A great thing about banana oatmeal pancakes is that it's all done in a blender, so you have way less dishes. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of egg whites, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and some oil for cooking.
Make sure to choose ripe bananas. The riper the banana is, the sweeter the pancake will be.
Now for the equipment, we're going to be using paper towels, a spatula, a blender, and a griddle, but feel free to use a pan.
Now it's time to blend it all up.
The first step is to blend your oats into the blender until it looks like flour. Now once it looks like this, we're ready to throw in the rest of the ingredients.
Now it's time to blend up the star of the show.
What?
They're banana pancakes.
Oh!
Time to blend it all up for real this time. Let's do this. Our consistency turned out a little thin, so we're gonna add some more oats to the mixture to make it a little bit thicker.
Now it's time to heat up your griddle. Heat it up onto medium heat, and then once it's ready, you want to use your oil and then just like lightly grease it with some paper towels.
That way your pancakes will not stick to the griddle and you'll be able to eat them in peace.
Time to pour the batter onto our griddle. You can make your pancakes any size depending on how big your pan is. Now that we're starting to see bubbles forming on the pancakes, we're ready to flip. You're just going to want to do it quickly. Flip. Don't be scared. Just do it. Time to take off our pancakes. You have to be careful because they cook way quicker once they've been flipped.
And there you have it, banana oatmeal pancakes. We added some bananas on top and maple syrup, but feel free to add anything else you want.